Knife heads. Today is a sad day for a lot of people, me included. Today, Randy WSG has went to the man upstairs, and I didn't know him like a lot of y'all did, so I feel y'all's pain. I just wanted to give my respects to his family, his mother, and everybody. What I have talked to him, he seemed like a great guy, and he will be missed. Let's just take 1 second to remember him. And if you guys would like to go help his family with his arrangements or anything like that, y'all could go watch his videos. He was monetized, so go watch his videos, help his family out. And I'm sorry for everybody that was close to him. And I watched HT's EDC today, and I seen where brother Big Fish, Wally, his grandson is in bad shape, and he's, I think they said 9 months or 11 months old, little bitty baby. Y'all keep him in your prayers too. There's a lot of stuff going on in this community the past couple weeks. Just keep everybody in your thoughts. And with that, y'all, let's get into it. Alright guys, it's been a sad day in our little community that we have because we lost a good man, and we got a little baby. Is in bad shape. Y'all, if y'all talk to the man upstairs, talk to him. That little baby really needs your help. And I did have something else I planned to do today for a video, but I opened it up and I watched HT's video about Wally's little grandbaby, and then I seen the news about Randy, and I was just like, well, let me just do something easy, and let's just do a pocket dump, and I'll get out of here fast as I can, because I need to do something. So let's do it. First, I got my little Zippo. You guys can see it's a real Zippo, made in 23. It's a little slim. I can't be using one of the big ones. It takes up too much pocket space. So this one don't take up no pocket space. So I have been using that the last couple days. Y'all know I got the bench made. I love me a bench made. Y'all probably thought you would never hear me say that, but the Benchmade has grown on me very much so. And I got the Built in America, the vape. What else I got in the pocket? I got the Richter's Slip with the Shat Morgan, Sexy Red. That's its name. I named it that. Sexy Red. I ain't even going to open it. I'm just trying to go through it. Trying to go through this pretty quick. I got the Cheetah. They actually call this a Trapper. Believe it or not, they call this a Trapper, but it's a Cheetah. This is a 2-blade. This one's a 1991, 2, 2, 3, 4. A 94. Right, 94. Yeah, 94. 2-blade trapper cheetah. It ain't a jackknife. They don't call it a jackknife. They call it a trapper. Just for y'all to know. I ain't crazy. I looked it up. 6211.5 SS. They got half stops. They got a long pull on it. It's pretty sick. I mean, I really enjoy this. This is the Knife Club Association, one of 2050 in 1994. If y'all want to read it. Tang stamper. Look at all them dots. Pen blade. Got that in the pocket. One more, and I'll let you guys go. This is probably going to be a quick one. I got the Kinfolks Hall Baker. It's got 2 springs. They would call this a improved muskrat, but they call this an improved muskrat because it's got the Warncliffe. And it's got the clip. Come on. Made in USA, Kinfolks. It's the Hall Baker. No half stops, I don't think. Yeah, half stops. It's got half stops. Got like an acorn shield and it says Kinfolks on it. I got it upside down, yeah. Nice, quick, easy video. Oh, and I got the Sky Dragon. Got the old Sky Dragon on me. I modified it. I burn it. (2024) sky blue, but it's the Sky Dragon. Straight down Broadway. Come on. Looks 100 times better than just this blue. I think that's it for me, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna call it right there. Y'all, keep Randy's family in your thoughts. Keep Brother Wally in your thoughts for his grandson. And like always, stay sharp and stay classy. You hear?